welcome back to my channel, family. Today I am taking this trip to go see my soul sister Nadia for the first time. Get into these lashes, yeah. But I am taking the train, and a lot of people be flying, but the train is actually more relaxing than I think it is. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so I finally made it to Virginia, and yeah, it's Nadia.
What's good, y'all?
Formo coming soon. Tap into her channel. Stay tuned. But yeah, y'all, I made it. A bitch is tired. It was really rough. I hadn't eaten nothing for real. My anxiety was going crazy, but I was clutching my, hold on, wait. I was clutching my amethyst. I was clutching my amethyst the whole time, so it made things a little bit better. But yeah, we on the way to her mama's house because her mama cooked, and I'm finna try it.
Period. You coming soon?
Tap into these lashes too. Yeah. It's giving face. It's giving eyes. Okay. All right. Bye.
Don't turn in the dust and don't move. Yeah, you say you want to control.
All right, Grand Rising family. It is approximately 10:37. Did I sleep good? I actually did, but this little heater schmeater didn't do anything for me. It didn't. Besides when I put it right here directly in front of my face, I felt it. But other than that,
Roasting while they sleep.
yes, I need to be warm. It was just, it's not that though, but you know, like with this air mattress and it being so cold outside, the floor radiates that very cold energy off of there. Yeah, I didn't realize that, but now I know, and I'm gonna go to sleep with sweats and a hoodie on. And another blanket. I like to be warm. All right, so we're about to repot Luna. Grand Rising family. Yeah, we're about to go ahead and do this, and yeah, I don't know if y'all want to watch us repot it, but I'll set the camera up anyways. Be right back. All right, fam. So we're finna repot Miss Luna girl. And Nadia doesn't have a big towel, so we're gonna use this trash bag instead, which works as well. It still works. It still gets the job done. We are using cactus palm and citrus soil for Luna. Too. All right, y'all want to see Luna looking like the bad biscuit she is? This is what we're working with here. Luna is looking beautiful, except for that part. So yes, Luna is back to life. She's so pretty. More life, Luna. Yeah, she looks good though.